Hello from Slovenia again. So I will do a diptych on these MDF boards with bubble wrap. I will not go crazy. I will just do a simple technique that any one of you can try, and it's kind of effective. You don't need to know how to draw a flower, but you still can get some really nice flowery design. So I'm using my pearl white mixture. That it's my signature too. I use it for about, I don't know, 5 years for all kind of pours, for flowers, for some cloud pours, because it gives really beautiful lacing. So that's why. And I want to have a kind of subtle, I don't know the word, look. That's why I will use it for my background. I will just spread it on these 2 MDF boards. I don't necessarily care about the sides because I will paint them later, because on these wooden boards kind of you have to. Okay, so my base coat is down. Just thinking to maybe tilt it around just a little bit. And my paints are mixed with Elmer's glue all, 60% Elmer's glue all, 40% water, and I mixed about 1:1 with paints, and I added some water and some of them if I need to. My colors today will be Permanent Violet Dark by Golden, Ultramarine Violet Light by Amsterdam, Permanent Magenta by Winsor & Newton, and I have some phthalo green and some yellowish green, I believe, and some gold. Yeah. will put it down with bubbles on touching up my canvas. Okay, like that. Press it a little bit on the flowers. Okay, so let's see what we got. So here is a close-up of the wet results. Maybe I like that, not maybe, I like that blown out parts. I like the flowers too. They're kind of tulips or something.